Hello everyone. Today I wanted to talk about a very simple yet very important topic. It's about attending to yourself and your needs. What happens most of the times when it comes to all of our close relationships is we tend to attend to other people more than what we do for ourselves. We tend to look after them, nurture them, take care of their needs and their wants. And in this process, we forget that we as an individual or as an entity has our own needs and our own space, and we need to protect it and respect it. ते कसं आहे ना, आपण लोकांच्या आसपास हळूहळू कधी घुटमळायला लागतो ते आपल्याला समजेनासं होतं. सो वी टेंड टू यू नो always attend to what the other person might be thinking, or what he might be doing, or how I can do something that he or she starts feeling a little better. But in this process, we forget the most important person, that is me as an individual, and I start excessively focusing on other people. What happens in this process is I cross over my boundaries, and the relationship becomes toxic, as I am, or me as an individual always tends to be on the giving end and forgets that I also have the need to receive. So the relationship stops becoming 50-50, and it becomes more of you giving and the other person receiving. So it's important to look after yourself and protect yourself every single day of your life. It's not a one shot thing that now that I've completed myself and now that I feel complete, I don't need to go and recheck. No, it doesn't work like that. You need to go and recheck every single day of your life, that whether my bowl that I feel or I think or I've assumed that is filled, are there still holes in my bowl, and I need to seal them, and I need to refill my bowl, and or can I do something that will keep my bowl more filled for myself. If I don't hold space for myself, I cannot hold and respect space of someone else. So, in the process of looking after yourself, it's important that you look after yourself as well. Because if you don't, um, the most important relationship of our life, that is my relationship with me, is going to be spoiled. So at least for 15 to 20 minutes of my day, can I really sit with myself and do things that I enjoy, or do things or activities that make me feel happy, or just sit with myself and listen to my thoughts and my feelings of what am I really doing with my life, my goals, my dreams. Because if I am investing at the wrong end, there is always going to be loss. So I need to invest in myself more. I need to respect myself more. I need to respect my feelings more. Because if I don't, I cannot respect someone else. I cannot respect someone else's space and feelings. So I need to do it for myself first, then, and only then I can do it for someone else. सो कुठलेही रिलेशनशिप ओढत राहण्यापेक्षा इट इज इम्पॉर्टंट दॅट आय heal my relationship with myself every single day of my life, promising myself that I will protect myself, I will look after myself. Because if I'm doing it every day, I know what I'm investing and what I'm putting out for others. Because if I don't keep a track of it, I will always be at the doing end. then feeling drained and exhausted. So I think we all deserve this 15 minutes of our day where I check with myself, where I sit with myself, I do a little chat with myself. If needed, just pamper myself and baby myself every day, at least for 15 minutes. We don't need a reason to, pamper or baby myself. We don't need we don't need something big to happen, and only then I will go and check that everything is fine. No, do it every single day of your life and see the magic. So it's important. Think about it. Think about yourself first before every time you think about someone else. Think whether it's healthy for me. Think whether it is helping me. Think whether it is getting toxic for me. Think whether I need to take time out from that particular relationship. Listen. Listen to yourself. Listen to your heart. Listen to your mind. They're always telling something. But we're so engrossed in listening to people that we forget that we need to listen to ourselves as well. So I feel it's important at this time that we all do this for ourselves. This little pampering that we all need and we expect someone else to do for ourselves. So instead of expecting it from someone else, can I do it for myself every single day? Think about it and do let me know what you feel. Thank you so much.